I'm in New Orleans and I'm gonna do like a beignet comparison. So we're gonna try 3 different kinds of beignet places and see which one I like the best. First stop is Cafe Beignet. Now this is a chain beignet place, but it's also a restaurant, so they have other foods too. Really cute outdoor seating, really cute indoor seating. If you want to get seating, you've got to come early. And they have other foods too. I think that's why the beignets are not the best here, but price wise it was mid-price. So Du Monde was the cheapest for beignets, and yeah, of course Du Monde, you cannot compare with it. This was my total, $10.43. 3 beignets, $4.75, and I got a large cappuccino. Here's my beignet. It's super hot. It's freshly baked, deep fried, freshly deep fried, super hot. 3 beignets. I'm so excited. Starving. I feel like the sugar is kind of melting onto it. Powdered sugar. It's very good. It's very fresh. However, I feel like the dough doesn't have enough sugar. So the dough is very plain, and the only sugar on it here is from the powdered sugar, which that's what some people like. I like it to be a little bit more sweeter. It's pretty good. Also wearing black. Not the best choice when eating beignets. I need to eat at other places to compare. I feel like I've had better beignets. And now it's 6:30 and we're going to Cafe Du Monde for beignets because I want to get a table. And they're open 24/7, so it's Friday. So that means like more tourists are coming in, and then during Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I wanted to go as early as possible so that we can get an actual table and sit down and enjoy. Because they also have like a to-go window where you can get it much quicker, but it's gonna be a to-go. But you can sit by the river and eat it. But I just want to sit down at the table. The last time I was in New Orleans, I was able to get a table, so I'm really hoping that it should not be too packed. Where are we going?
Cafe Du Monde.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
I hope we get a table.
I know.
The weather's actually so nice. It's 7:30, and it's. I wish it was like this all day. Tables. It's 7:40. Plenty of tables. We're here pretty early, so it's like kind of empty. I love it. We got so lucky. We fast walked, so it's super hot. But yeah, I'm so happy we got a table, and there's even like seats inside. It might be cooler in there. Here's the menu. And you can also sit inside. I think there's actually AC in here, so this is so much better. Beignets. For me, a small iced coffee. For him, a large. And the total for these were 20. And done. I'm so excited for this. Still hot. Yum. Oh, my hair's a mess. Here we go. This is so much better than yesterday. It's less hard on the inside, on the outside, and the inside actually has a flavor, so the dough actually has a little bit of sugar in it. So this is better than Cafe Beignet, for sure. And it's cheaper too. Okay, we are heading to Hot Bennys. This is the 3rd location. I'm gonna try beignets. As far as I know, this is the only Hot Bennys place, and also this was the most expensivest out of the 3. And you'll also notice the shape is just very squarey. So there was like really loud radio music in here, so I had to take off the music. For 3 beignets, $6.25. They were good, very smooth on the inside, A little bit crispy on the outside, not that much powdered sugar. It looks like it's a lot, but on the bottom, there's not much left. It was nice, but not as nice as Café du Monde. So nobody can compete with Café du Monde. There are other restaurants, like actual restaurants that sell beignet as dessert, but I wanted to try 3 places that focus on beignets. So, winner, Café du Monde, but the coffee, don't waste your money on the coffee at Café du Monde.